Hey everyone, I'm so excited to announce that we are bringing back our favorite sale of the year. It's the grab bag sale. It's going to be starting online on July 14th, and we're doing it in store all weekend long starting July 19th. So as a little refresher, our grab bags are made up of mystery pieces if you shop online, and you get 3 stacking rings for $28. So it's a huge discount. They're almost all of them are over half off, and they're all slightly imperfect pieces. So when we're making jewelry in our studio, we have to have a really high standard of quality. But you know, we're human, we're people, so we make tiny little mistakes sometimes. And those rings are the rings that end up in the grab bag sale. Also, if you're local, if you're visiting Portland, the weekend of the 19th, definitely come by the store sale. You basically have the freedom to choose whatever you want. So you get to put together your own $28 grab bag. We'll also have studs that you can put together into pairs. And we're going to have ribbon hoops available in store as well. So those are some little in-store perks. So if you're able to come that weekend, definitely do.